And I haven't read the judgment, so I can't really comment much on it. But what the judges read out in court was that they've struck down Section 66A in its entirety, and they've upheld the rights of the citizens today because the internet is so far-reaching and so many people use it that it is very important for us to protect this right today. Now,
in fact, the Supreme Court also observed that governments may go, but 66A will remain despite any assurance given by the government.
Exactly. So that's why you can't. It's being misused by, BJP governments, by Congress governments all over the country. Even earlier, when the Congress was in power, it was being misused. So it's not. It's not. I mean, governments have their own political agenda. So you have to see a law has to be for the people.
A big victory for transparency and free speech today.
Yes, big victory.
What does this mean for those who are posting and who feared that they could be jailed for their various posts that they've made across the country? Several such cases that have been filed at various states. What does it mean for those who fear going to jail because of their posts?
Now, I mean, under Section 66A, you cannot be jailed anymore because the section stands invalid. But I mean, I'm not advocating that you should defame someone, or there are other provisions in the IT Act, in the IPC, that if there is something gross, I mean, if it's hate speech or something, obviously you will be dealt with under those provisions. But there is no blanket provision that will curtail your freedom of speech and expression, and so no one should fear not putting something up because of going to jail.
And also, Supreme Court said that nebulous, this thing as far as certain terms are concerned, it's with the announcance. Supreme Court basically said these terms are very vague.
They're very vague, and they've the two tests, which was the clear and present danger and the probability of inciting. Section 66A has failed those tests because you can see that the posts that the people were jailed for, what they had said was there was nothing in there that incited public hatred or
श्रेया याचिकाकर्ता को आप सुन रहे थे, और श्रेया ने ही ये याचिका डाली थी 66A के खिलाफ, जो बड़ी जीत हुई है।